Yeah man, what's going on guys? Welcome back to your channel. You don't know it's a crazy boy string bean slash Camarne. So right now, naive now with up on a grimy bird hunting. As you know, it's bird season here in Jamaica. And my channel is one of the main channels where we always do a lot of bird hunting. Shout out to all of the wildlife channel, then big up all YouTubers same way. I don't see fowl drop no video from when still with the slingshot hunting. I don't know what go on if him back down from the war still, but yeah man, I don't call him name for build no conflict or anything. We just have a thing going on from when we are dealing with some things. So without further ado, we are gonna get right into the action and show you exactly what go on and show you say you don't know. We are do something and you understand? Yeah man, so watch this. Yes, yo. Right, 9 inches. Watch out. See? Yeah guys, you see it? Yeah man. Don't touch it. Once not touch it. Oh yeah. The man I shall see it. Right, now anything go get shot, you know. Yes! That's why I now move to, you know. Yeah. Joe just shot one. I climb this over here, so I'm gonna knock him off here. Daddy! Alright people, you don't know. My new shooter we cap on the block, you know, and see it there. We are down so in a daddy. In a bush, you know. Yeah, you don't know. Boss, come out with film one man. Yeah man, see it there? Yes. Yeah man. Shot this up. Yes. Yeah man. Next one. Pass up. Could have fly too. See first one did them. Yeah man. When get the shot? Watch ya. Oh, see ma. See him come back right here. And if we can't go up there, whole eh? See this man come and come to the ninjas. Me shot that one, you know? Yeah, you shot him. Tail feather you shot him. And that the feather they come out. take up that one the bottom. Yo, I shot one and in drop right around there, here. Seen the above you up there, so. Yeah. Yes! You know, move, you know? In job somewhere after so, but I don't see him. So I'm going. Yeah, guys, see it again. Top shoot the limb, man. Yo, so far and get this a shot from brother. Yeah? Oh, see now. Yeah, man. Nice, like from a mile. You see it? Yeah, man. From a mile. Yeah, guys. I see your stinger go on, man. Yeah, people. Far and get a shot from him, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, people. You don't know, you know, guys. That's how we deal with it, you know. Yeah, man, we don't play. See that? Yeah, man. Ah, you know, I can't go to church. You know, you want to back in front of you? Yes, buddy. You changed on. Yeah, my people, so I go on there now. After a long day, you don't know, a little evening shoot. Nice little four. Have a white crown pigeon, yeah, so. Yeah, man, and so as well. All pigeons. Don't know, yeah, man, so. I don't know how I go on it still enough. I go do a cook up with them or I go just end the video, yeah, so, but I could see what I go on. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned, my people. You don't know, you know, peace out, God bless and one love, you know? Yeah. Go home back here now. Alright guys, so see them here, you know, my tree this. You don't know, like I said earlier, it was a portion we get, so when my friend actually shoot one time, I never have the camera, so we end up get 5, but I do a little bit of pickings and now and close the video. These will be cooked up in another video where we're gonna do a bird soup and do some other thing with them still, but you know, yeah man. Now only sorry say I don't have my big camera where I can capture the shots them like oh I normally used to, but you know, yeah man, the GoPro is on my head and I still try my best to get this thing done, you know? Yeah man, so see the exit wounds. Yeah man. Some nice little shot guys. Yeah man, I'm not telling a lie man, you know? Yeah man, so but like always, you know, I pick them off, you know, one thing and you know? Yeah man. Just say it's setting on my people. I don't know when I really arm them thing or not eat them. So them are gonna make a delicious meal. And this is also what we come see with grandparents and everybody I do. And you know, we just do it as well. And whereas we eat them, make it even better. We're not just doing it for fun. You know, even though there is joy in it. But you don't know. Yeah man. When it comes to slingshot, still know my people. Ah boy. You know only a little thing I got say in the comments and this and that, but until we buck up, you know? Yeah man. So I just there go and pick off what we pick off, cause night, reaching a night, cause I normally evening shoot we go up and reaching a night and also that and you know showing back all of them in time I done pick them off and stuff. I'm gonna show them fat and look nice, you understand? Yeah man, so just go and hang around, alright? People, so see them there? Yeah man, them done pick off on something and also upon the fridge and stuff like that, but I just want to show you like look on the shot who them were led. Just look on them. Yeah man, the exit wound them graphic. You see that? Yeah man, alright, you see that one there, you know? Alright, I'm back here, so the shot did for come out. And I don't know, it ended up like it not come out. And the ball plate now, it's all I shot them 2 year, shot them at them 2 year, and the one I fly right through. All of them dead instant. Yeah man, well nice man, I don't know any gentle people. Yeah man, until next time, yeah? Yeah man, one love, bless up.